Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, investing for beginners. Whether you're 18 or 80, investing is a crucial skill that can help you build wealth over time. So let's get started. Segment 1. What is investing? First things first, what exactly is investing? Simply put, investing means putting your money to work in order to earn more money. It's about making your money grow instead of just saving it. But remember, with great potential rewards come risks, so understanding the basics is key. Segment 2. Set your financial goals. Before you start investing, you need to set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, are you saving for a house, planning for retirement? Or maybe you want to build an emergency fund. Having specific goals will help you choose the right investment strategy. Segment 3. Understand different investment types. Next, let's look at different types of investments. Here are some popular options. Stocks, ownership in a company, higher risk but potentially high returns. Bonds, loans to companies or governments, generally safer but lower returns. Mutual funds and ETFs, pooled money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio. Great for beginners. Understanding these options will help you decide what's best for you. Segment 4. Create a budget for investing. Now, let's talk about budgeting for your investments. Start by determining how much money you can set aside each month. Tip: always prioritize creating an emergency fund before you invest. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This will give you a safety net. Segment 5. Research investment options. Research is crucial. Use online tools and resources to learn about companies, market trends, and the economy. Websites like Yahoo Finance, Morningstar, and even financial podcasts can be super helpful. The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make. Segment 6. The importance of diversification. One of the best strategies is to diversify your investments. This means spreading your money across different types of assets to reduce risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A diversified portfolio can include a mix of stocks, bonds, and funds. Segment 7. Assess your risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is essential. Are you comfortable with high-risk investments, or do you prefer safer options? Knowing this will guide your investment choices and help you sleep better at night. Segment 8. Choose the right investment account. Next, you'll need to choose the right investment account. Here are a few options. Brokerage accounts, flexible but taxable. IRAs, great for retirement savings with tax advantages. 401ks, often offered by employers with possible matching contributions. Pick one that aligns with your goals. Segment 9. Start with index funds or ETFs. If you're just starting out, consider investing in index funds or ETFs. They're low cost and provide instant diversification, making them perfect for beginners. Plus, they often outperform actively managed funds over time. Segment 10. Stay informed and adjust your strategy. Host: finally, stay informed. Keep up with financial news and market trends, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategy as needed. Investing is not a one-time event, it's a journey. To wrap up, investing can seem daunting, but with these strategies, you'll be on your way to becoming a savvy investor. Remember to set your goals, do your research, and stay diversified. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below. Happy investing, and see you next time.